on the bit. You got the right one.
Moment I just feel so alive, alive, alive. That I can have this moment for life.
I know you want it.
Hey yo, I just wanna be your first go-to.
I can have this moment. It's like in my style and my videos. Don't run from me, free.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So we're just going to jump right in right now. I'll do my intros when I finish getting ready because I'm so late, guys. So basically my friend invited me for this mini party type thing, I think. I'm not even sure. And the dress code yeah, is pastel colors. And me, I don't have any pastel outfit, so I just decided that my hair would be pastel. Yay! Oh my god, it feels like the colors are clashing with this yellow. I don't know why I decided to wear yellow today. But anyway, this hair is from Tinashe Hair. And I got 3 bundles of their body wave. I'll leave everything on the screen as far as the description goes, and all the links will be down below as well. And I also got a frontal, so I made it into a wig by myself. I just did the glue gun method, so I'm going to show you guys, and also how I colored it. I'll probably just insert some clips right now. Now time for the coloring. I'm using the Joico colors in light purple and also in lilac, and I also used the magenta color as well, and I mixed all of that into hot water in the bucket, and I just stirred it till it was really smooth and really like fine, so I didn't see any lumps. I went ahead to dip the bottom of the wig, that's the other half, into it so it can be darker, and then the whole wig into the mix, and this just helps to create a gradient when you're doing the watercolor method. I went ahead to apply some more magenta onto the hair directly, and I used the comb method just to give me a pink tint to the hair, more pink on the top than purple, so this did that for me. And when I was done, I washed it out and I conditioned the hair and all of that, and I did my makeup so I won't have all those hairline wahala. But yeah, I just want to like lay the front properly, and then I'll do my eye makeup while that is setting. I just want to apply some Got To Be. It's 7:14 right now, and I'm still just laying my hair. I'm trying to make it for 8 o'clock, so hopefully let's see how that goes, guys. Let's see how that goes. Wish me luck. Anyway, I just wanted to say that this hair I've had it for a while now, for some months, and the curls I put in at first are still the curls that are in it right now. So this hair definitely retains curls. I washed the frontal, but I didn't wash the rest of the weft. But so far so good. Everything seems nice, and the hair is actually good. It took to color very quickly, and yeah, shout out to this company, guys. They've been really patient with me. Shout out to them. Shout out to you, Tinashe Hair. I'm just laying down the middle first. So now that that's done, I'm just going to put a wrapping sheet on it. I don't believe that this wrapping sheet holds this thing tight enough, so I'm going to use a sock over just on top. Now that I've put that away, I'm just going to quickly rush my eye makeup. I'm really trying to make it for 8, guys. Believe in me, thank you. For my eye look, I'm going to be using this new Revolution palette. It just came out and they sent it to me. I was just so happy. This is it. You can see it has all the colors there. It has some contour shades. It has blush shades over here. I love how colorful this part just looks, and let's explore that. I'm going to challenge myself to use only this palette for this whole look. I don't even plan to do too much because, like I said, I'm already late. I'm mixing UV orange and neutral together, and I'm just going to put that. Ooh, pigment, 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 pigment alert, pigment alert. Wearing colored hair is like a yes and a no, because sometimes you have to be picky, super picky about what you wear with it. Even my brows now, I have to change them later on. I think I'm high-key in the mood for a cut crease. I don't know, I just like cut creases. They just make me look like a bad, I just love cut creases. Anyway, I'm using this brush, this angled brush from Lula Cosmetics. I'm just going to cut my crease with that real quick, real quick, real quick. I'm using the Fenty concealer, by the way, to cut this crease. I haven't done silver in a long time. I really like how this palette is named. Like, it's named very straight to the point. Like, you get the color names and not, you know, trying to crack your tongue. Even though I enjoy that sometimes. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. That means I definitely have to do a nude lip. I don't know why I'm saying that, like I wasn't going to do a nude lip again, but let's just do it. Let's do it. Do it good. Do it now.
Rise and shine.
Guys, I kid you not, like that's all my head says. Today I was in class listening to how to do short list, how to do this, how to do that, and my head was just saying
Rise and shine.
Rise and shine. Okay, babies, now let's not lie, this eye look is just ugly so far. Right now it's just ugly. Like, I don't know what's happening. Did I lose it? Have I lost it? Where is my touch? What's going on, people? What's happening? Where am I? I'm putting a bit of color on the edges just to see what's good with this, because this look is confusing me right about now. It's just not working, but I'm hoping that my eyeliner can do some tricks and turn this shit out, because yeah, this look is not it. So guys, finishing off my face, I'm going to be using this blush from Lula Cosmetics, and this is in Vino Planet. I already applied it. It's so pigmented. So can you see, like, this is just one tap in, and this brush is also from them as well, which I'm loving. So what I'm going to do is to just, I've seen this trick on YouTube a lot of times, and I do it a lot when I want to do that semi-natural brows. I'm not really a fan of the no brow type brows, but I like the nudie type now sometimes. So I'm just dipping this spoolie. I dipped it in concealer, so I'm just going to brush that across the brows just so it's a bit nudie. And this just saves me from doing everything else, because even when I do it with like light brown pencils, I always end up with super black brows, because my brow hairs themselves are black as hell. So this one helps to tint also my own brow hairs. I also got these highlighters from Lula Cosmetics, and one is in Concierge Club and the other is in Beach Beam. Nice. This is just the gold one. That's the Beach Beam, and I actually like this one on its own. Oh, a side part doesn't look bad though. For my lip, I'm also using this matte lipsticks from Lula Cosmetics. This look, it's a very risky look, but we move. We what? We move. But anyway, I'm just using some mousse. I'm done with the look. I'm just trying to do finishing touches to the hair, and I'll bring back my outfit and we see the whole look, and I'll go to my event that I'm late for. Okay, I'm good with my hair now, but I shall be right back to give you guys the full slay.
This time I will never. Yeah. No time, again, I winnie wanna your love they do me this time. Yeah. Oh my, get you. Yeah. Show me how you feeling this night. Jaro, 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 jaro. I don't wanna lose you this time, I will never. Yeah. No time, again, I winnie wanna your love they do me this time. Yeah. Oh my, get you. Yeah. Show me how you feeling this night.
Hey guys, ratchet businesswoman, and yeah, that's what this look is giving me. But I absolutely love how it turned out. Even the makeup that I was busy, slandering, but it came out good. Anyway, I'm on my way to an event now, and yeah, I'm going to leave you guys. If you like this hair, if you want to check it out, I'll leave all the links down below in the description box. Make sure you check them out. They're really good. Tinashe Hair, thank you guys. Thank you guys. You guys understand. You understand, but thank you guys. Anyway, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell like button down below. And if you have any video requests, let me know, because I have my reading week soon, which is my free week, so I will have time to record videos. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Follow me on my social media accounts, and bye.
Jaro, 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 jaro.
I wanna be on Forbes list. If wishes were horses, is it too much? It's not too much. If I want money, I do want dance, I practice. If I want money, I wanna be a billionaire, yeah, yeah.
Whenever your heart is broken.